Alright, hey guys. My bike's been running for about 5 minutes. I just shut it down. I'm just getting a rattling noise. Just trying to find out what it is. My valves are in spec. Cam chain tensioner is fine. Checked it. Seems good. Other than that, I just can't find out what the rattling's coming from. It's like a rattling, ticking. Not too sure. If you guys could just give me a hand, shoot out some suggestions, let me know what it is. I'll just fire it up for you and let you listen to it. Just hang on a sec. Sounds like it's coming more from this side. Hopefully you can hear it. Have it up a bit for you. So yeah, anyways, takes about 5 minutes to warm up, then it'll start making that noise. It's just not making any sense to me, so if you guys would just give me a hand, that'd be great. Thanks a lot.